Hey everyone, welcome back to Homespot. What if those cracked, forgotten flower pots sitting in your garage could become the most stunning features in your garden? Today we are showing you brilliant DIY ideas that turn old flower pots into jaw-dropping garden decor, from fairy gardens to cascading fountains. Let's get started. Create a striking sculptural tower for your garden by nesting old pots inside one another at alternating angles on a central stake. Fill the exposed soil gaps between each tier with colorful succulents and sedums that will spill and trail over time. This architectural display works beautifully as a standalone garden focal point and requires almost no watering once established. Bring gentle music to your garden by turning small painted pots into a charming wind chime. Drill a hole through the base of each pot. Thread them on a fishing line along with wooden beads for spacing, and hang the finished piece from a garden branch or pergola beam. As the breeze moves through, the pots knock together, creating a soft and soothing tone unique to your outdoor space. Channel the rugged beauty of a desert landscape right in your own small garden using cracked old pots and rocks. Half-bury weathered terracotta pots at dramatic angles among smooth river pebbles and jagged stones. Then plant cacti and architectural succulents both inside and beside them. The result is a low-maintenance, high-impact garden vignette that looks professionally designed but costs almost nothing to put together. Elevate your pergola from simple structure to show-stopping feature with a hanging chandelier made entirely from old terracotta pots. Wire small pots at even intervals around a circular metal frame. Plant each one with trailing ivy or creeping jenny and suspend the whole piece from a beam above. As the plants grow and spill downward, the chandelier transforms into a lush, living curtain of greenery overhead. Protect your garden beds in style by building a playful scarecrow entirely from old terracotta pots. Stack pots to form a body. Paint a cheerful or spooky face on the largest pot for the head, and dress the whole figure in old clothes and a straw hat. Position your pot scarecrow among vegetables or flowering herbs, and enjoy a charming garden decoration that doubles as a functional bird deterrent. Give your garden beds a classic cottage-style border using nothing more than small terracotta pots and a bit of effort. Half bury a row of pots along the curved edge of a flower bed. alternating upright and inverted orientations to create a natural scallop pattern. The exposed rims produce a clean and timeless border effect that frames your plants beautifully while keeping the garden looking neat and intentionally designed. Transform your old terracotta pots into a stunning water feature that brings both sound and movement to your garden. By stacking pots of decreasing sizes on a central rod and adding a small submersible pump, you create a cascading fountain that soothes the senses. This project costs almost nothing and turns forgotten pots into a true garden centerpiece. Mount old terracotta pots on a vertical board at descending heights and connect them with a small water pump to create a beautiful cascading wall fountain. Water flows from the topmost pot into each one below before collecting in a wide sealed basin at the base. Mount the whole feature against a garden wall draped in climbing plants for a display that is both a water feature and living wall art. Turn a set of old terracotta pots into an outdoor narrative art installation by painting a sequential scene across each one in the series. Depict a story arc moving from sunrise to blooming garden to starlit night, using bold illustrative strokes on each pot surface. Arrange them side by side on a low stone ledge along a garden path, where visitors naturally follow the painted story from one pot to the next. You do not need a large yard to enjoy the calming presence of a water garden. Seal the inside of a wide, oversized terracotta pot with waterproof sealant. Fill it with water and add floating water lilies alongside a lotus plant. Drop in a couple of small goldfish and surround the pot with tall ornamental reeds. In just an afternoon of work, you create a complete and peaceful mini aquatic ecosystem. Guide visitors through a winding garden path with a series of painted terracotta pots used as decorative labyrinth markers at each turn. Place progressively smaller pots at every curve, painting them in a coordinated palette that ties the path design together visually. Fill each marker pot with a compact flowering plant or trailing herb, turning a simple directional guide into a charming garden feature that makes the journey through your space feel intentional and designed. Even the humblest corner of your garden deserves thoughtful decoration. Take a large cracked or weathered terracotta pot and hand paint a bold botanical leaf motif across its surface in forest green and earthy brown tones. Position it at the corner of your composting area, where it transforms a purely functional space into something visually cohesive. Let climbing ivy begin to wrap organically around the pot over time, blending it naturally into the surrounding garden. And those are incredible ways to breathe new life into old flower pots and completely transform your garden. Whether you go for a cascading fountain, a fairy garden, or a simple mosaic path, each idea proves that great garden decor does not have to cost a fortune. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Homespot for more ideas, and drop your favorite idea in the comments below.